Hello, in this video we're going to discuss the dangers of radioactivity. The most powerful danger of radioactivity is the ionization. So what's the meaning of ionization? The radiation from a radioactive substance can knock electrons out of atoms. By this, the atoms become charged because they lose electrons. This process is called ionization. When an object is exposed to ionizing radiation, it's said to be irradiated, but it doesn't become radioactive. Radioactive substances can contaminate other materials that they come into contact with. The radioactive contamination is the unwanted presence of materials containing radioactive atoms on other materials. The hazard from contamination is due to the decay of the nuclei of the contaminating atoms. And what proposes the level of hazard is the type of radiation emitted. And it's good to note that the alpha radiation is more dangerous than the beta or gamma radiation because it has higher ionizing power as compared to the ionizing power of beta or gamma radiation, as clarified in this simulation here. The alpha radiation is more likely to cause ionization as compared to the beta or gamma radiations. In addition, the X-rays, fast-moving protons, and fast-moving neutrons also cause ionization. Why ionization is hazard? Because ionization in a living cell can damage or kill the cell. Damage to the genes in a cell can be passed on if the cell generates more cells. Because of that, strict safety rules must always be followed when radioactive substances are used. That's all. Thanks for watching.